Zoom fatigue? Blame your webcam. Meet the Yealink A10 that outsmarts every meeting room fail. Still wrestling with your sad little webcam that makes you look like a blurry potato from 2010? Yeah, we've been there. Every time you log into Teams or Zoom, it's chaos. Glitchy audio, awkward camera angles, you shouting "Can you hear me now?" like it's a Verizon commercial. Your tools aren't just outdated, they're sabotaging your credibility. You're constantly tweaking settings, praying for clarity, and faking professionalism with gear that clearly gave up. Meetings feel more like digital punishment than collaboration. You feel blocked, frustrated, and one frozen frame away from just walking off camera. If your productivity is crashing harder than your connection, you need a gear intervention, ASAP. Because the longer you use mediocre tools, the more your sanity bleeds out. Deadlines don't wait for your microphone to stop acting possessed. Your team's patience is hanging by a thread, your clients can't hear you, and your boss is squinting at your pixelated face like you're broadcasting from a potato farm. Meanwhile, you're mentally fried, trying to stay on while everything around you breaks down. The burnout's real, and you know it. You miss cues, lose momentum, and worst of all, look like you just don't care. It's not you. It's your tech. And it's quietly torpedoing every meeting, every impression, and every chance to shine. That should piss you off a little. Introducing the Yealink Meeting Bar A10, basically your new secret weapon in a world full of weak webcams. Forget duct-taped solutions and overcomplicated setups. This sleek all-in-one AI-powered beast gives you flawless 4K video, 120 degrees wide-angle auto-framing, and 8M EMS or micro-electromechanical systems, beam-forming mics with noise-nuking tech that cuts out every annoying footstep, cough, or Karen in the background. It's Teams certified and Zoom ready out the box, no fiddling, no drama. Speaker tracking? Auto. Framing? Automatic. Privacy? Electric lens cap on by default. You just plug in and shine. Whether you're presenting to investors or vibing with your remote crew, the A10 makes sure they see you, hear you, and remember you, for all the right reasons. So what does it feel like to finally sound and look professional without lifting a finger? It feels like winning. Your voice cuts through like butter. Your face? Lit and crisp in any lighting. Meetings flow. You stop repeating yourself. And your coworkers stop squinting at your forehead. With AI tech doing the heavy lifting, your brain gets freed up for actual ideas, not fixing tech fails. Plus, the A10 keeps your desk sleek with minimal cables, all-in-one simplicity, and full BYOD or bring your own device support with just one USB-C. Want wireless content sharing? Add the WPP30 pod for a fully cordless, zero-chaos experience. Click the link, see the full spec list, and stop making excuses, this thing delivers. But here's the truth. Great gear moves fast, especially when it's this good. Thousands have already ditched their clunky conference setups for the A10, and let's just say, regret isn't on the menu. Reviews are glowing, the buzz is real, and supply? Not unlimited. Don't wait until it's backordered and you're stuck yelling into your laptop mic again. Whether you're in a huddle room or working from home, this is your unfair advantage, sharp, smart, and stupid simple to use. No more wasted energy. No more Zoom shame. Just next-level clarity and confidence. So hit that button. Upgrade your meetings. Own the room without ever leaving yours.